Hello everybody and welcome to this basic beginner tutorial on how to create your own normal maps for curvature or NextGenSprites. As you can see, as I move around this point light, we can see the bumps and indentations of the surface of the sprite, and this is all controlled by the normal map on our curvature shader path. And there are many kind of ways how to can make your own normal map. The most prominent one is Quixel Suite. Quixel Suite is a professional application or add-on for Photoshop that is used by the industry and also indies. And the application that we care about is NDO Painter. This one is used to make the normal maps in Photoshop. And the great thing is that since we are inside Photoshop, we can use all our brushes, forms, custom forms, vectors, fonts, everything. But to keep things simple, we will use free applications, and there is this online normal map generator on the website cpetri.github.io. It's made by Petri Christian, and you can also donate to him if you like his application. And it's very simple, it's just drag and drop. So I have here my candy sprite, and if we drop it, we can see we already get our normal map, but we see some problems here. This part just looks like a cutout. But we want this to have like some kind of helmet, because this is his helmet, and so we need to make something different. We need to use some helper. Alright, if we would be using Quixel, we could have made this from the beginning, but again, a generator does not have the full control. So let's jump into Photoshop, and what you can do is to just add to the head where you want to have the helmet, just a circle with this gray-white gradient. So let's save this, export, and let's call this normal map helper. And now let's drop the normal map helper here. Now we have something that looks more like what we like to have. So let's try to save this, download, let's move it here, and then let's call this online generated. Now let's move to Unity and drop it into our project folder. And now let's look here, the curvature panel, we replace the normal map. Actually, we have to beforehand change the import settings to normal map. We untick from grayscale, apply. Now let's go back to our sprite curvature and drop the normal map. And now we can already see the indentations and bumps in actions, but it's very gentle. We could go there and play around with the settings and so on until you have what you like to have, and you could also play around with the colors a little bit and everything. And there's also another alternative. We can also use Photoshop itself to make these normal maps. You need Photoshop 2015. This means that you need to be, Creative Cloud user. So not very popular thing. But anyway, so let's duplicate this group here. And now let's convert it into a single layer. And then we can look at filter. We have the section 3D, and then we can go to normal map, make normal map. And now we get kind of the same thing. I can change here to plane. And I can again play here with the settings. I can increase the details, so we get more indentations. This is blurriness, so I can get more blurry around the edges, or more soft, I like to say, and so on. And we can also play around here a little bit with the graph here, and the contrast. And then we press OK to apply. And then we have here our normal map made by Photoshop. And then again, let's say export. And then we say this time Photoshop created. Let's see, where do we have it? Oh, I think I have to save the file here. Save, close, open again. And let's say it's a little buggy here with on Photoshop here. Again, Photoshop generated. And here we have it. So now let's drop it into our project folder. And oops, not no, this is wrong, not this one here. Where's here is it. This is one that was generated by Photoshop. So let's go back here to import settings, select normal map, untick grayscale, apply. Let's go then to the sprite, curvature, and let's drop it. And I think this already looks a little bit more interesting. If I move around the point light, then we get more smooth bumps here and indentations. And yeah, that's how you generate or create your own normal maps with free tools. This is how do you make your own normal maps. And in the next tutorial we will learn how to make normal maps with Quixel Suite. And thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.